is oishi. Yum. Mm. Konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, I'm going to make a Japanese vegetable stir fry or the yasai tame. In Japanese, we call it the yasai tame. So, with no further ado, let's get started. Let's eat, guys! Mmm! Mmm! Vegetables are crunchy. Mmm! Good. This is oishi. Yum. Mmm. This tofu is good. Mmm. Oishi. This is healthy and yummy. Motto tabimasu. Ippai tabimasu. I hope you like our recipe today. Try Japanese vegetable stir fry. It is healthy and easy to make and yummy, of course. So try it, guys. You will love it. Okay? And thank you for watching. And see you on my next